Today I'm going to make you a classic tequila cocktail. What could that be? A margarita? No. Paloma? Did that one already. No, I'm going to make you the Mexican firing squad. Just to clarify something, somebody called me out on Instagram the other day saying that I used the word classic too loosely. I define classic cocktails by how long they've been around, not necessarily how well known they are. So if I can find a cocktail in a book from, let's say, the 1940s, to me, that's a classic cocktail. Might be an obscure classic cocktail, but that's where we, the cocktail nerds, come into play. If you are new here and you like what you see, please feel free to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the like button. The Mexican Firing Squad can be found in Charles H. Baker's book, The Gentleman's Companion, from 1937, I believe. Apparently he found this cocktail at the La Cucaracha cocktail bar in Mexico City. La Cucaracha, La Cucaracha. So the ingredients are tequila, I'm using a tequila blanco, Angostura bitters, fresh lime juice, and house-made grenadine. And you can buy grenadine, but I don't recommend it because it's usually just basically simple syrup and coloring agents. Real grenadine is made from pomegranate juice and sugar, and that's basically what I have right here. I'll post a link to my recipe down below in the description. And this is how I make it. A little flair, 2 dashes of Angostura bitters, 3/4 ounce of your house-made grenadine, 3/4 ounce of fresh lime juice, and 2 ounces of your tequila. Gonna get some ice for this. And now I'm gonna give this a quick shake. Don't shake it for too long because it's gonna be served over ice, and I'm also gonna pour a splash of club soda in there. Put some club soda in the bottom. And strain your cocktail. I'm going to garnish it with a lime wheel and a maraschino cherry. And there you go. There it is. Mexican Firing Squad. Pew pew! 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 This cocktail is traditionally not served with club soda, but I wanted to add a little bit of sparkling to it and make it a little bit of a longer, more refreshing drink. Let's see how it is. That is so good. I think I honestly like this better than margarita. Even though it's pretty much the same thing. You have the tequila, you have the fresh lime juice, but instead of the orange liqueur or agave that you usually use, you use the grenadine, which gives it more like a berry flavor to it, which is really nice. And the Angostura is just there to give the cocktail a little bit more depth. If you like tequila and you like margaritas, definitely give this a try. And if you ever want to switch it up even more, just like a regular margarita, you can put a couple of drops of something spicy in here and make it a spicy Mexican Firing Squad. Easy as that. Anyway, that's all I have for you today. I'm gonna drink this now, even though it's 1:15 in the afternoon. Might be a little early, but hey, it's 5 o'clock somewhere, right? So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Fucking delicious. Cucaracha bar, cockroach bar. Oh, cockroach you. Anyway, okay. Let's go.